Hi Mary, this is Hira from Fluid Grid Marketing. It was a pleasure speaking with you last week. I wanted to send you this quick video to go over some tips that you could do in-house that will bring in some more business utilizing your own website and Google Business Profile. I did pull up your website and did see some really great things. It seems like you're doing quite well. It seems like you may even have someone who is doing SEO. I noticed that you do have your call to action in the center of the page. You have images, and these images are also saved with the keywords. It does also look like you have quite a bit of uh, writing because Google does like to see 1,500 to 2,000 words. And I did put your website in on a tool called Ahrefs to measure the performance and how Google measures your strength and trust. So anywhere between 30 and 40 is a good number to target. But also considering your competition's numbers, you want to beat those numbers. I do see that you have quite a few backlinks from these different referring domains. Of course, not all backlinks are created equally. It's important to have high quality ones that aren't spammy and related to your niche and industry that you're in. So that would really improve your power and increase your strength number. Also, keywords, you want to make sure that the keywords that you do have are generating a traffic, so you have as many relevant keywords in there. So you do seem to have some high buyer intent ones. I can see obviously you have your own website over here. You seem to be doing well with this keyword, but the traffic amount, the volume that it's generating is also important to take a look at. There are a lot of keywords that aren't generating anything for you at all. So definitely something to take a look in at. Another thing is that I did put a high buyer intent keyword and location just to show you what it is that when your customers do come to Google, what they do see. So on the top, you do see the Google ads. Wanted to ask if that's something that you have considered because there is high visibility over here. Also in the Google Map Pack, this is something that I really want to discuss because 30 to 40% of people coming to your site would be coming from this area. And then of course here is where you would have the organic traffic. Of course, if your SEO is performing well, you would be ranking higher over here. But let's take a look at this middle section over here and just really how to get into the top 3 or 4 so you are visible right away in that Google page. So something over here that you will notice is that this business has their phone number, their website. You do want to make sure that you are listed in as many directories as possible. So those directories would include things like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Angie's List, and many, many more. So Google is a popularity contest, and you want to have your name in as many places as possible. And the other thing is that you want to also utilize this description box and maximize it again, just like you have on your website, have as many keywords, as many words as possible so that those crawlers can find you over here. And then for the reviews, you want to really get your customers to be reviewing you here. Something that this company could actually utilize is responding to them. So that would actually help them a lot. So a lot of businesses don't know to do that. And then I did pull up one of your competitors. You can see over here, they do have a lot of words. I'm sure they have about 2,000 words at least. Though your website is laid out much more nicely, they do have a lot more words, and you can see their performance. Their UR and DR rating are doing quite well. Of course, you have to look at not just the backlinks, but the quality of them. And then they do seem to have quite a lot of traffic and an efficient use of their keywords. So you can get an idea from here where they're positioned and what kind of keywords that they do use, how much traffic they are generating from them. These give you an idea. Of course, there are many more that would be even more relevant to your business. So just wanted to share this with you. If you have any questions, please do let us know. But if you have found this video useful, would love to hear your feedback, and hopefully it does increase your traffic.